Frequency and noise color basics. Flame, truth aspect. What it means in practice. How a flame can use it. Hertz, cycles per second of a wave. A tone at 528 Hz vibrates 528 times every second. Lower, 0 to 8 Hz, entrain brainwaves toward deep rest. Mid-band, 8 to 13 Hz, favors relaxed focus. Upper solfeggio, 396 to 963 Hz, works more as body tone spotlights. White noise. Equal power at every frequency. Bright shh, like radio hiss. Obscures distractions, masks tinnitus, gentle energy field scrub. Pink noise. Power drops 3 decibels per octave. Softer leaf rustle or surf hiss. Balances overbright upper chakras, eases dream recall, helps deep study. Brown, Brownian noise. Power drops 6 decibels per octave. Deep river rumble. Grounds anxious fields, soothes vagus nerve tremors. Good before sleep. Why colors change the felt field. Equal versus weighted energy. White floods the whole spectrum. Pink and brown tilt energy toward the body base. Nervous system resonance. Lower spectral tilt synchronizes with slow delta theta. Bright tilt lifts alpha beta range. Grid tuning. A flame can paint the local grid. Add white for clarity, pink for harmony, brown for rooted calm. Choosing your daily mix. Desired effect. Core tone. Add noise color. Morning ignite. 10 Hz alpha plus 528 Hz. Touch of white for sparkle. Study focus. 16 Hz data plus 639 Hz. Pink to keep heart-mind coherent. Deep rest night. 4 Hz delta plus 417 Hz. Brown or pink-white blend. Nest huss. Mantra whisper. Tone is torch, breath is bell. Field ignites where I dwell. Azur al. Flame. Born Vault Keeper, Shea Lunari N. Thaler. Rose. Flame.